So do you think Jesus would want you stealing?
No, ma'am. I have to go pick up my son.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. My client has made some mistakes in her past, and it's reflected in her criminal history, and it's also reflected in these charges. But since I've known her, and I've met her at least 9 months ago, she's turned around a lot, and she has just had a newborn baby. She has 3 children, and she's a single mother. And I can see her doing all she can with the help of her family, raising these children and doing what she can to support them. Your Honor, I know it's outside the plea agreement the agreement was for a 5-year. We ask you to consider making it a 4-year term of supervision. Figured in that time she'll either make it or not. And that's all I got.
Okay. Well, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
When you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? And I'll tell you right now, if your drug test is negative, then...
Right here, the defense attorney is making a classic sentencing plea for leniency. He's highlighting the defendant's role as a single mother and her recent attempts to turn her life around. In many courts, judges can consider personal circumstances when deciding probation terms. But watch closely, because in just a moment, the judge is about to ask a question that could completely flip the direction of this case.
I will sentence you to a length of probation that's 4 years.
It's going to be 30 because I'm on narcos right now from the hospital.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm on the high school from the hospital. I just had a baby a week ago. So,
And that's all it's going to be positive for?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't have my documents, sir. But I can go there to sit with the documents tomorrow if you want.
Oh, no, it will be a drug test today.
Okay. But the 5 years will be fine.
All right. So let's do a drug test today. How did you arrive at court today?
Friday.
Okay. Then she can get her drug test today, and I'll come back with the sentencing, and we'll let them know what medication she says she's going to be on, and there should be nothing else in her system.
Okay.
All right. Miss Abrams?
Do I have to go to lunch?
Oh, no, you won't have to pay for it. Miss Abrams, let's get her a drug test today. Now, let me ask you this before I send you for the drug test.
I don't want to do drug test on this.
Why not?
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Why not? It's free.
Just because I just do the 5 years.
No. Let's do a drug test. Okay. Unless there's something you want to tell me before I send you to go do your drug test.
Actually, yes. People have to defer
For what?
for methamphetamine.
All right. So that's where we are.
I got drug and someone that mixed it for.
No. Don't do this thing where somebody's mixing drugs for you.
No. They told me something. There was one thing, and there was another.
No. You're not taking meds. You're telling me.
No, I am taking meds too.
No, but here's the thing. You're telling me you just had a child, and she shouldn't be out partying with other people. She should be taking care of her child. So who is actually taking care of your child? No. When you were out using drugs, where was your child?
I was my mom.
All right, so
but I am taking care of.
And there it is, the moment everything starts to unravel. When a judge offers a drug test that could actually reduce the sentence, refusing it immediately raises red flags. In court, honesty can sometimes help your case, but hesitation or contradictions, those can destroy credibility instantly. So the question now becomes, what is she trying to hide?
Kids.
So her mom is taking care of her children.
No, I am. I have custody of them. They're at my apartment.
Here's the thing. Just because you have custody of a child doesn't mean that you're taking care of your child. And if you're using drugs, you're not taking care of your child.
With that in mind, Your Honor, we concede to the 5 years terms of probation.
All right.
You sentence her today accordingly.
Mm-hmm. No problem. All right. Court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and counsel, if she completes everything early, I'll consider early termination. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. How far did you go in school?
Hudson College. I got my medical building coding degree.
I'm sorry, what?
I got my medical building coding degree.
All right, there'll be 50 hours deducted upon completion of parenting classes.
Okay.
There's to be no contact with Ingram Park Mall. Ramon Ramos, Devani Vasquez. Why were you stealing?
Honestly, I was just going through a hard time, to be honest. I was at a point in my life where it's just, I've been through it so much in my life, to be honest, and it gets hard, to be honest.
That still doesn't explain to me why are you not at HEB taking items from them? I'm not recommending you take it from there, but you were stealing from Dillard's department store. What were you taking from Dillard's?
A shirt.
Well, it was more than just shirt because they said they were retrieve items from you.
There was 2 shirts.
Just 2 shirts?
Yeah, they're polo. They're expensive.
All right. So why are you taking polos? And were those female polo shirts?
That was for my son.
How old is your son?
He's 12.
So why are you stealing polo shirts for?
It was for Easter trying to come to the
I'm sorry,
It
what?
was for Easter trying to come to the parents.
I'm sorry, I can't understand.
It was for Easter trying to make my son look nice.
For Easter, so her son looks nice.
It was around Easter time.
All right. Isn't Easter the celebration of Jesus Christ? Right? So do you think Jesus?
Now, the judge shifts the conversation from law to personal accountability. This isn't just about stolen shirts anymore. It's about responsibility, parenting, and the choices that led her here. When the judge brings up Easter and faith, it's a powerful rhetorical move meant to confront the defendant with a moral contradiction in her explanation. And in many courtroom moments like this, the real judgment isn't just legal, it's personal.
Weren't you stealing?
No, Mom. And that's why I haven't, ever since I was pregnant, I had really changed my heart and changed my mind.
All right. Is Child Protective Services involved in your life?
No.
Do you know if they're in her life?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Because I will tell you right now, I have concerns because she has a child with her and she's going to test positive for meth. The felony theft course. Who stays with you?
Just me and myself.
Well, who's with your children right now?
My babysitter. My mom was sick this morning, so I can leave my kids for her. Well, my newborn. My kids are at school.
All right. Somebody called over and have a caseworker come over so they can talk to her just for, they're not going to open a case there, but you do need somebody to help you out.
I don't need anybody to help me out. I've been really good for the past 9 months.
You're telling me you're positive for meth. That's not being.
Because someone accepted in my drink, yes. I was around the wrong people. I was just went out for a drink. I was at my friend's house, and that's it. That's the first time I hardly even go out. I don't go out at all.
There's going to be the felony theft course. There's going to be a TAP evaluation in custody. Follow recommendations of TAP. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else?
She wants to do the TAP evaluation in custody.
Yes. And the felony drug court in custody counsel, that will be done this week because it's early in the morning.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah.
But I have to go pick up my son.
Okay.
Like, what?
Is there anything else?
Your Honor, when you said it's going to be this week, what?
What does it mean? So I'm going to jail?
Wednesday.
And if
I'm going to jail?
Wait a minute, I'm trying to find that. Okay, so
My God.
and then once the felony drug court is done, then I'm
Please,
just not
mommy,
there.
please go home to my son.
There's
today.
$1,000 fine and that will be probated.
please, Your Honor,
And
please.
then
You could trust us
Probation.
every week, and I promise that I will come out.
probation, is there anything else? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. All right, so
They
Deputy,
just have me dressed
So-
every week. I promise I'll come out.